Hey, you never know what you're gonna run out to. Oh my God. Run out to. Never know what you're gonna run into.
Yeah, but I love the bloopers.
Hey, never know what you're gonna run into out here. We've got Mr. Rock right here, Mob Squad. And this video, by the way, just want to let you know, is brought to you by Atari, Red Bull, and Craving Cars.
And Chicane.
And Chicane and Mob Squad.
And Redline.
Only a couple of those are true.
So many, I mean.
Only a couple.
And Kids and Cars.
And Kids and Cars, that was true.
Yeah, that's true.
Craving Cars is true.
Yep.
I don't know about the Atari and the Red Bull.
Man, I'm just noticing how many lenses we now have on cameras. Look at all that.
Well, pick one.
Let's pick that one.
Pick
Let's go with
which
that
one you want to look at.
We'll do that one. All right.
Now that he has his finger extremely close to the lens, that's going to be an awesome edit. Okay. What's up, man?
I'm good. How are you?
Where are you? What are we at? What are we doing? So
We're at Chicane.
Chicane.
Open House.
Chicane Motor Sports Fall Open House.
That's true.
That's what the event is officially called.
You know, I came last year for the first time, and oh my gosh, is it blown up. I mean, the show just started, and it was already packed 2 hours ago.
Yeah, and there's a bunch of cars. Really, really, really awesome cars.
A bunch of Craving cars.
A bunch of cars that you would be craving for sure.
That's true.
There's
and as
no
you
doubt.
can see, I mean, look,
Yeah.
there's some amazing
And just to
stuff
give you an idea here, this is their main shop here at Chicane Motor Sports. I mean, it is phenomenal. They can work on all your awesome stuff, and they even have a dyno back there.
all-wheel drive dyno, which is rare.
Yes, there's not too many of those
That's
around.
true. Yep. If you got an all-wheel drive car, only a few dynos you can do it on. So
you know the ideal. You know what makes it a lot easier when you have a dyno? Getting tunes on your car. So if you're looking to get a tune on your car,
they do it.
Chicane Motorsports here in the
That's
Kansas City
true.
area
Yep.
is the way to do it.
Yep.
So
any issue, domestic import. I specialize in imports, but they do domestics. So
yeah, don't let this fool you. There are also some classic cars here too that are pretty cool. I mean, there's an Edsel. There's an Edsel out there.
you know what? I haven't had a chance to walk yet.
Yeah,
so
well.
I need to go walk.
That's it. I'm done with you then.
Yeah, all right, move on.
No, very awesome stuff. And this is getting towards the end of our season here in 2022 as far as car stuff.
Yep. Really
And
exciting for 2023.
Yeah, because you and I got some really cool things gonna be happening.
It's going to be exciting.
Gonna be really exciting.
I'm excited about it. So.
Yes. But
So here, let's do a 360 as we talk.
Oh,
Walk and talk.
Until then, we're just gonna enjoy the excitement that's here right now at Chicane with these really incredible things. You wanna show them outside? Want to see what's going on? I can always put my sunglasses on.
Yeah, let's put sunglasses on.
You already got yours on.
See how fast this jumps up.
Let's hope
right here,
let's hope the camera adjusts to the light.
Right, and then
He lives by that.
he does. He does.
No.
But yeah, I mean, look. This is just the main line.
Yeah, and we've got. There we go.
So many more.
There's a McLaren, more awesomely coolly. There's a Cayman S behind it.
That's very cool because it's limited with the 3.8. So.
It does have a 3.1. Hold that for a second for me. I appreciate that. Thank you.
You mean the Red Bull I had to go grab for you?
Well, I had to switch hands. I can grab it. No way, we give them a different perspective. Now you're on the other side.
Right.
You never know, right?
Right.
I'm just hoping we're in frame.
Said, hey, but you know what? We got to point this one out because it's for sale now.
Oh, we got a car.
Yep. So Joe Jenkins got his car. He just put all the mods and stuff on it, and now he's selling it. You couldn't do any more to this car.
If you want to see what more this car can do, visit Craving Cars and Redline Rallies.
Right.
And
it's been highlighted a few times.
They have a website.
And there's a video where he smokes my R8.
He does. No, cool stuff. I mean, there's a Lamborghini SVJ over here. SVJ. You want to see it?
Yeah, let's go see it.
Let's go see it.
Let's go in depth. And then you got the Uranus. Is it Urus? Or Uranus? I can't remember how you pronounce it. But
it's something you need to go see a doctor for.
Yeah. And then of course,
yes, your Urus. Your Urus. There's your SVJ. Look at that.
And then
a V12 in all of its and naturally aspirated mightiness.
Yeah. Well, can you put any more? Can you put any more into a car?
You got a Huracan right next to it, so that's all cool. That's all good. You gotta love that too. I mean, yes, the McLaren is phenomenal. The Lamborghinis are phenomenal. We got a lot of other cool stuff too. Just in case you didn't believe me that it's an SVJ, here you go. You know what? You got to hold that again. You just hold it.
I know. I should just hold it.
Yeah, just hold it.
Yeah, because it says it on the side. You know it's an SVJ.
Yeah, if it's got a decal on it, then it's legit.
That's true. That's true.
I'm gonna put one on my Porsche.
An SVJ?
I'll have an SVJ Porsche.
Oh,
there we go.
No, it's got duct tape marks on the roof.
one of one SVJ.
Custom duct tape. Custom
marks.
duct tape. There you go.
Flex tape.
Oh, Flex Seal.
It's 200 mile an hour plus tape.
There you go.
This sounds amazing if you've never heard.
Yeah. Well, he was popping flames a little bit ago.
Sponsored by Flex tape.
Yeah.
Flex tape. There we go.
There you go.
There we go. Another name drop.
Oh,
There it is.
you're right. I see it. I see it now.
There it is.
How did you even get?
Custom.
Why would you even have tape up there? That's probably the question. Why did you even have tape up here? It's probably the question. Do you hold down the roof rack with it?
They ran out of ratchet straps. They had to tape it down.
There you go. But gorgeous. And of course, Just Rapids here with their Audi. Right? Great work. Great guys. All right.
We got a lot more. I think Joe just took a picture of us.
Joe's got his car for sale, so let's go this way.
This
so
is Joe.
We can highlight.
Say hi to Joe.
Hi,
Joe,
people.
what else do you do? You might as well plug yourself.
Jenkins Turnkey Properties with Platinum Realty. You need to come buy a house from me.
And
his car's for sale.
and buy his car from him right there.
Yeah.
So you know what?
Sell you a house and sell you a car.
That's right. He'll make you a deal. If you buy a house from him, he'll sell you his car.
At a discounted price.
Or add-on price in the house. However that works out.
Or whatever.
Finance it all.
Or
Whatever you want it.
Right?
He'll sell for whatever you want him to sell it for, as long as it's the price he wants to sell it for.
There we go.
Does that make? I don't know if that even made sense, but here we go.
It's always about what you want to pay for.
All right, go check out the rides.
We are walking.
We're walking some more.
We got the M&Ms coming up. We got dark mustard and American mustard.
What the heck is duck mustard?
Duck mustard.
I don't know. You know, we got like a line of Porsches out here. We got a Ferrari out here.
Yeah, there's a lot of cool cars out here.
There really is. There really is a lot of cool stuff out here.
You got the Supra. Samir Admir here hanging out. Of course, you got the AMG. You know more about the cars than I do. You do great at it. You know, walking by each car and telling the specs.
That's got an engine.
It's yellow. I can tell you it's yellow.
Turbo straight six. This is, you know, your amazing V8 turbo AMG.
Bi-turbo.
That means there's two of them.
Yeah. Not bi.
That doesn't mean they go both ways.
Yeah. They always spool up one way.
It just means there's two of them.
And they both spool up the same way. So.
What do you think of the Ferrari back? There's a black Ferrari.
You know what? I love the Supra better than anything.
All right, let's go look at the Supra.
One, because I had one.
Well, we just looked at the Supra.
I know, but this is the old gen. This is Gen 3.
Yeah. So we just looked at what some people call the BMW Supra, but it's still a new Supra. Now we've got
old school Gen 3. Turbocharged. I love these cars. Very hard.
Pop up and down headlights.
Yep. Yeah, the flip ups.
You know how when you see that? It's the Japanese 90s stuff.
Yeah,
because there's an RX-7.
That's the copycat.
Let me rephrase that. Is that went to the early 90s, didn't it? I might be just calling myself.
I think that's probably like
or was it
89,
late
80. Yeah, 92 they switched the Supras up to the new the Fast and Furious version, if you will. These are 80.
Let's just say 80s went well with pop-up headlights.
They did. Everything had those, right? Even the RXs had them.
Look at the RX-7.
The Mazdas.
You don't see very many of those at all.
No.
And we'll take a better look at some really cool stuff down here. Oh, we got another Ferrari showed up down there. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah, I was like, if it's...
So what do we got? We got a 488 and maybe a 458 and a 488 maybe. Is that what this is? 488. No, 458. Sorry.
458.
Yeah, 458.
Yep.
Awesome. And then up here is
and
the
you got the food truck.
88.
You know how I know it's a food truck?
How's that?
It says it on the side.
That's a good deduction there,
and then
Watson.
we got amazing two-wheel cars.
You got the two-wheel car. Yeah.
The two-wheel automotive industries here.
They're good. No training wheels required.
1.1 is in the house.
Right there.
Yep.
There it is. I hope you can see that. Can you see that? Hope you can see that. Look at all the 911s. Look at them all. Targas. Those are awesome in their own own route.
That's pretty sick. I love Targa tops. You know what? That was another thing that faded away was Targas.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
They're not the same as they used to be. I'm gonna be honest. That is a Targa, but as you can see, It's not really a Targa in my opinion. It's a Targa, but it's not a Targa.
Yeah, it's a hardtop convertible.
Yeah, there you go.
To be honest.
And then you got your 488, I think,
Yep.
isn't it?
But then after that,
We're gonna go with that. Correct me
We'll
down.
say yeah.
Correct me down below if you.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Post it in the comments.
You're like, aren't you guys a car channel? Shouldn't you know what these cars are?
You know how many different cars there are here? I mean, it's.
You know how hard it is if you're not the biggest Ferrari fan to keep up with what Ferraris are what? I'm just saying.
You know, and they all kind of blend together. You know what doesn't blend together?
The sun
Are
and the
GTRs.
lens. No, there we go.
Because all GTRs look like GTRs.
They haven't changed them since they came out.
Well.
Not really. We got a Viper back there.
Well, we got another BMW/Supra coming.
BMW. We got a black one. So it's like we put the two together. We got some like Bumblebee stuff going
Right.
on. Black and
Oh,
yellow.
no, Lotus is coming down the road. Orange one, nice one.
Oh, okay. That's good. Talk behind the camera here for a second. And see how I can
I like how you swivel things.
You don't need to see our mugs right now. We're just gonna look at some cars. We have a Lotus Elise coming up, and we just wanna see if we can get ran over. Which, you know what? I don't think it's possible for that car to run us over. We can run it over.
I could probably jump over it, to be honest.
All right. He's. I feel like we're walking slower than he's driving.
Right?
Hold on.
No,
Let's
you
go to
mean
the side.
walking
Let's go to the side.
faster than he's driving. So
Yeah, I said it backwards, didn't I? There it is. Look at that. Beautiful.
yeah, super cool. All right, that's too long of a walk all the way down that road.
We're gonna keep going.
Are we flipping it around again? Oh, here we go. All right. How come we just don't use the front camera so we can see ourselves talking?
This is better.
Oh, because there's 6 lenses on this
Better
side.
quality. Yeah.
6 lenses
Yeah.
versus the one.
That's right. And then we could do a 10x zoom on our nose hair
That's
if we
true.
wanted to. That's pretty sweet. Anyways. It's a good
We
time,
done?
isn't it?
It is a good time. It's early yet.
It's
I mean,
good
so
time.
early.
It's early.
Let me save you from being hit by the.
Am I gonna get?
Because you know the BMWs, they don't stop. So they'll just run over you
Hold
and
on.
keep going.
What's behind it? Is that a lifted Miata?
Miata.
That's a lifted Miata.
4x4 Miata.
If that's not a perfect way to end this little jaunt.
You know what? I don't even think that's a stock Miata chassis. I think it's just a Miata body.
Is that a body put on something else?
Put on something else.
That is messed up. In whatever good way you want to put it. There goes a Cobra. Mustang Cobra.
Mustang's over.
Well, so hey, yeah. Keep up with Mod Squad. Keep up with Craving Cars.
And big things coming next year.
And big things coming next year. And keep up. Well, I mean, that's not a separate thing to look out for.
Yeah,
That just means big things coming for Mod Squad and Craving Cars. And
yeah, more in the Craving Cars.
and 911s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Are
yes.
we done for right now?
That's good. So
We got like 4 more hours.
Yeah,
to
to
go.
remember all you cravers out there.
Keep craving.
Yes. See, he knows what it is.
Okay, I know the SVJ is going to get somebody sick. It's probably going to catch my microphone on fire. You ready? All right, here we go.